Hello everybody, I am Hussam Talib from Çukurova University NLB course. In this video, we're gonna talk about lexical similarities function. First of all, let's run our code. Uh, we have to import our NLTK library, word tokenize function, word limitizer, frequentist, string, stop words, and pandas as BD. Then we have clear function. This function takes a string, removing the punctuation mark, reducing to the lowercase, word tokenizing, removing the stop words, and doing the limitizing. After that, we have more than 5 function, which also take a string, doing the word tokenizing, and using the frequentist function to label each word how many times frequented in this text. Then it returns the words that frequented more than 5. Then we have less than 5 function, which is also takes a string, doing the word tokenizing and using the frequentist labeling each word how many times frequented in the text, and returning the word that frequented less than 5. Then we are reading our collection file to take our text and calling our clear function over that text. Then we have to create a data frame for the word that frequented more than 5, and with 2 columns, which are word and frequency. As we can see here, the word çalışma, which frequented 39 times, sıkıcı 26 times, concentra 13 times, and so on. This word will be considered as a true word since it's frequented more than 5. Then we have to also create a new data frame, a new data frame for the word that frequented less than 5, and this 5 will be considered as an error word. So we are creating a data frame over the word that frequented less than 5 with 2 columns. As we can see here, özellikle 4 times, çalışmak 4 times, bazı, bira, and çalışkan, which frequented 2 times. Then we are creating a new data frame, which is called most similar ones, with columns names error, true, and similarity ratio. This will be our result data frame. After that, we have get most similars function, which takes a data frames and appending our result data frame function. Then we are installing our distance library and importing jacquard function. After that, we have our jacquard function. This function creating or initializing an empty 3 list, which is error word list, true word list, similarities list. And also it's create a temporary data frame with the same columns names, which are error, true, and similarity ratio. Then this function for each y in the list data frame word column, and for each x in more data frame in the word column, we are creating the y into error word list, and the x into the true word list. And we are appending the similarity list by after applying a jacquard function on y and x. Then the temporary data frame will be fulfilled the error column as an error word list, the true column as a true word list, and similarity ratio as similarities list. And lastly, we are calling the get most similarities function on this temporary data frame after sorting the values over similarity ratio for the items that has similarity ratio between 0 and 1. Then after that, we are calling our jacquard similarity function and printing the results. As we can see here from the results, the error word çalışkan, its true version is çalışkan. Çalışırken. Çalışırken, the true version is çalışırken. Bazı, biraz, bira, also biraz, çalışmak, çalışmak olarak it will be considered as çalışmak, özellikle as özellikle. That was everything in this video. Thank you for listening.